Hello dear students, it's time for your social studies class and we started with Unit 14, Unity in Diversity. The explanation of the chapter is over and now it's time for the exercises. So let's do the exercises of chapter 14, Unity in Diversity. Question 1 is answer the following questions in short. You just have to directly write the answers. First question. Which languages are spoken in our country? The languages spoken in our country are Hindi, English, Gujarati, Bengali, Marathi, Punjabi, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Odia, Konkani, etc. etc. means there are various more languages. So even when this question is asked in your exam, you can write few languages that you easily remember. Question 2. Which religions do people follow in our country? The religions followed by the people of India are Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Zoroastrianism or the Parsi religion, Judaism, Jainism, etc. Question 3. Why is our country the country of diversity? Our country is a country of diversity because it has diversity in religion, language, caste, which leads to variations in food, festivals, customs, rituals, and attire. People of different religion, people speaking different languages, people belonging to different castes, they live together in India. Hence, it is the country of diversity. Diversity can be seen in color complexion, clothing, religion, language, food, etc. in all the states of India. Question 4. What is national unity? Answer. When people of different religions, language and castes love and honor their country, have a feeling of sacrifice and cooperation for the nation, it is called national unity. We may be from different religion, but we all feel pride to be a part of India. Hence, they have a feeling of love and honor for their country. They have the feeling of sacrifice and cooperation for their country. That is called national unity. Next exercise is explain in short. First question. Unity in diversity is seen among people. Well, to answer this question, you have to first say what kind of diversity is seen, and even with that diversity, how can we say that there is unity among people? So the answer is given point wise. People of our country differ from one another in many ways, such as attire, food, residence, religion, language, custom, festival, etc. Yet there is emotional unity. Emotional unity that we are the people of same country, we are the people of India. People of different religions, languages and castes love and honor their country. They have a feeling of sacrifice and cooperation for the nation. It is called national unity. We are diverse, we have differences, but still they have a feeling of sacrifice for their nation. They cooperate for the growth of their nation. That is called national unity. Development in the economic, social, industrial fields occurs because of national unity. We have this national unity, that's why we can develop. During the freedom movement, our countrymen made the vision of unity possible through the feeling of patriotism and sacrifice. We know the freedom movement, how we got independence from the British rule. During that time, the countrymen of India, they made the vision of unity possible through the feeling of patriotism and sacrifice. And the last point, that we have followed the principle of Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam, that the whole world is a family. That shows that India in true sense spreads the feeling of religious tolerance and equality in the world. that all religions are equal and they have the right to flourish. These points show that there is unity in diversity. The people of India follow the principle of being together. Question 2. Efforts for diversity and equality. What are the efforts made by government to maintain the diversity and still get the equality? So, we'll just write the measures taken by government. Right to equality is granted so all the people get equal opportunity, justice and status. Right to education has given the right to free and compulsory education to children, so everybody has got an opportunity of primary education. Government has enhanced the educational and infrastructural facilities like village roads, primary health centers, electricity, drinking water, etc. for the community development. Equal opportunities are granted to women. Some seats are kept reserved for the people of certain caste in the election of Gram Panchayat to Parliament and in the matter of jobs. Here we are speaking about government jobs. Hostels, scholarships and schemes of financial assistance for the students are implemented. Schemes of financial assistance means loan facility is given. So these are the efforts taken by government. You can remember the basic points and just write the whole sentence about the right to equality, right to education, the educational and infrastructural facilities, equal opportunities to women, reservation, and about hostel scholarships and schemes of financial assistance. Exercise 3. State whether the following statements are true or false. First, in the post-independence years, discrimination is gradually decreasing. True. Second, our country is made up of cities. False. Our country is made up of villages and cities. Third, some seats are not reserved in election. False. Reservation is done for people of certain castes. Next exercise is answer the following questions. First question. Write in short about the discrimination between girls and boys. Well, the answer is long, but you can easily remember because most of these things you already have seen and you know that what kind of discrimination is being done between girls and boys. Due to biological differences with social and cultural viewpoint, there is a difference in the upbringing of girls and boys. Majority of women remain engaged in cooking, household chores and upbringing children. Women don't have importance to take decisions regarding family matters. Girls are deprived of health care, education and family rights. Girls are not given equal opportunities in the field of sports and education. They are deprived of moving freely and thinking independently. Girls are victims of child marriages, parda system, dowry system and other evil customs because of low literacy rate. Birth of boy is given preference, so girls become victims of female feticide. It is the long answer, but to remember the points, you can keep the points like the biological differences and the upbringing of girls and boys, the difference between the upbringing. What kind of work the majority of women are doing? Cooking, household chores and upbringing children. No importance regarding family matters. Deprived of healthcare, education and family rights. Not given equal opportunities in sports and education. They cannot move freely and think independently. Victims of child marriage, parda system, dowry system and female feticide. Question 2. India is a secular country. Explain the statement. India is a secular country because secular country means that the government of India does not decide or take decision. The civil affairs are not connected with the religions. So the reasons that India is a secular country are that there is no official religion of the country. The citizens have been given freedom of religion. The state or the government does not interfere in the religious matters except when it is damaging the public, and the state does not discriminate among the citizens on the basis of religion. So these are the points which shows that India is a secular country. Exercise 5. Fill in the blanks. First, people of Maharashtra speak mostly blank language. Maharashtrians speak Marathi language. People of Punjab are known for blank dance. They are known for Bhangra. People celebrating Mahavir Jayanti follow blank religion. It is followed by Jains, so the religion is Jainism. Ras Garba of blank state is famous in India, of Gujarat. So with this, the exercises gets over. I know the answers were a bit long, but you are trained for it. Last year also you were writing really big answers and you used to do well. The answers are big, but they are related to you. You know these things, so they'll be easy for you to remember. And besides this, in your textbook on page number 91, activity is given. In that activity, the two questions where you have to write the name of the people who celebrate the given festivals and the name of the states with which the given dance forms are associated. That you have to write in your textbook only. And these exercises you will have to write in your social notebook. So that's it for today. There's nothing more. Just finish your notes and enjoy your day.